our hands, okay? And good scrub on your palms.
Are you excited about making some churros?
We are gonna start off with 2 cups of water, 16 tablespoons of butter, a half of teaspoon of salt, teaspoon and a half of cinnamon divided, and then we have 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 6 eggs. Right over here is 3 cups of vegetable oil, and then I have 1 cup of sugar here. We're gonna start off by combining water, butter, salt, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon into a saucepan over medium heat until it comes to a rolling boil.
I'm gonna start with butter.
Yep. We're gonna go ahead and start by putting the butter into the pan first. Now I've already had the pan warming up for us. So Abby, can you please dump that into there? Good job. All right. Hold it by the paper. Good. Pour this before the butter burns so that it can cool it down just a smidge before we put up the heat to a medium-high. That's okay. I'm gonna pour that in there like that, and then you wanna finish off with the salt for me. That was half of the cinnamon that's gonna go in there, and then here is the other half. And the salt went in there as well. All right, now we are combining and stirring the salt and butter and water and cinnamon so that it comes to a rolling boil. Good job. Are you cheering on your sister? Thank you, Beth. That was very loving. So now we are adding the flour to our hot mix. And we're gonna stir, stir, stir until it turns into a ball. Thank you, my dear.
My sister loves that.
Yeah.
My sister loves it too.
Got a nice smooth dough forming here. I know it doesn't look smooth from up there. It's smooth underneath as I'm stirring it in. Yep, I can smell that cinnamon.
Where's the cinnamon?
It's in there. It's mixed in. So mix, mix, mix.
Are you making some good churros?
And we're gonna dump it into a bowl and let it sit for 5 to 7 minutes. Here, make sure we have a nice bowl. I'm just going to make sure everything is mixed here, and then I'm going to let it sit for 5 to 7 minutes. And this is what we have here. While we are waiting for the dough to cool to add the eggs, my sous chef here is going to mix the cinnamon sugar for us. Pour the sugar into the bowl. And add the cinnamon. Whole thing right in there. Good job. Can you mix that up for me, please? Very gently. Use one hand to hold the bowl and one hand to stir the cinnamon in.
Go, 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 Mama.
I'm gonna use a spoon. It wants us to add 1 egg at a time. So I'm just gonna spoon out 1 yolk and whatever comes with it at a time. 1 more. Sure. All of the eggs are well in. Let's take our arm out of there, please, because we're gonna put the dough in there.
Still mixing it.
So right now we are putting the churro dough into a piping bag. So you don't want to wait until we're already in the middle of a pandemic crisis to try to get your supplies for these churros. Now granted, this is meant for frosting, which is just a little less heavy than dough, but this burst right at the seam as I was trying to put it into the fryer. So now we have a cleverly packed Ziploc bag for our piping piece. Ready, cut.
Don't touch it, Bethany,
Cut.
okay? What do you think of it, girls?
Yeah, good.
Yeah?
Is it crispy? soft inside? Is it super sugary on the outside?
What do you think, Babby?
Good.
Yummy? What do you think, Bethy?
Good.
Yeah?
Would you give it 2 thumbs up?
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. We had a lot of fun making these churros with our girls. And if you would like to see some more videos from us, please consider hitting that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.